60, omdat het met 70ste wel werken.
You must know, and Mickey Magician.
Within, it's there to be found. It is deep inside and all around. It's a gift that only you can bring. It's a song that your heart wants to sing. So take a breath and take a stand, and don't you be afraid. Let the magic shine. Let the magic shine. The secrets within are beginning to glow, with a shimmer and a glimmer where they ought to go. Let the magic shine. Let the magic shine. A twinkle of light and the shadows fade away. Okay, now let it shine.
Quick, Tinkerbell is here. Come in, Mickey.
Waouh! C'est incroyable!
Welcome to my workshop, Mickey. Comme tu le vois, ça mérite un bon coup de balai. As you can see, it needs a good clean.
Oui, monsieur le magicien, mais j'ai hâte de faire de la magie.
Oh, but you can't practice your magic, Mickey, until this room is spotless.
Oh, oui, monsieur. D'accord. Cet atelier sera impeccable avant que je fasse de la magie.
One last thing. You need to be finished before the moon disappears from the sky.
La lune? Waouh! Tout brillera avant que la lune ne disparaisse. Je vous le promets.
Good. And remember, a true magician always keeps his promises. Un vrai magicien tient toujours ses promesses. Good luck, Mickey.
Quoi? Un chapeau qui parle? Waouh! Cet atelier est vraiment enchanté. Bonjour, je m'appelle Mickey et je suis un magicien. Eh bien, regarde ça. Mesdames et messieurs, voici le plus grand magicien du monde. Et pour mon premier tour, le chapeau enchanté. J'ai dit le chapeau enchanté. Le chapeau enchanté. Bien, j'ai du travail à faire. Oh, oh, oh. La bonne fée!
Where did I put that magic wand?
Hein?
Oh, merci très cher. Je l'ai cherché partout. Oh, you must be that young magician I've heard so much about.
Moi? Oh, non, ce n'est pas moi. Mais un jour, j'espère devenir un grand magicien.
Well, it sounds like you need a bit of practice, dear boy. And I have just the magic words to help you. Moi, j'ai la formule magique qu'il te faut. Salagadoula, la magicaboula, bidi babidi bou. Mélangez tout ça et vous aurez grand, bidi babidi bou. babidi bou. C'est la magie que je ne connais pas. Oh, bibidi babidi bou. Salagadoula veut dire la magique à Scooby-Doo. Le truc qui fait boum à tous les coups, c'est bibidi babidi bou. Salagadou, la magique à boum, la bibidi babidi bou. Mélangez tout ça et vous aurez quoi? Bibidi babidi bou. Say it with me now, dear, avec moi.
Bibidi, Bobidi, bouh! Oh, waouh, Cendrillon!
Have faith in your dreams and someday your rainbow will come shining through. The dream that you wish will come. Oh my, it's time to get this young lady to the ball. Il est temps de se rendre au bal. Come back, dear boy. And remember, my dear, have faith in your dreams, and you'll find what you seek. The magic that lives within you.
Hey, tu as entendu? La magie est en moi! Oui, moi! Oh là là! Allez, au travail! À vos souhaits! Attendez, qui êtes-vous?
I am Lumière. Come quickly, we must prepare the banquet.
De quel banquet parlez-vous? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Attendez, mais... Oh non!
Mesdames and messieurs, the kitchen staff proudly requests the honor of your company. Please accept our invitation and be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, shall we? And we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Try the grand stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, sir, this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We are guests, be our guest. Oh la la! We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks. Come on and lift your glass, you've won your own free pass to be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Oh, look at that!
Wow!
Voilà! magic of love.
Sammy, daar je bent. Zwaaien, Sammy. Is er niet zo even alweer?
You see, my friend, true magic lives in our hearts. Mwah. Magnifique.
Oui, je sais. J'ai entendu ce qu'il m'a dit. Cher ballet, tendre ballet, mon ballet préféré. La vraie magie vit dans nos cœurs.
How is it going up there, Mickey?
Super, génial, presque terminé. Je dois me remettre au travail.
Qui êtes-vous? The question is, who are you? From the day we arrived on this planet and blinking, step into the sun, there is more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. It's the circle of life, and it moves us all through this path and hope, through faith and love. Here we find Come now, don't worry. Rafiki is here to show you the way. You can run from it or learn from it. Suis le vieux Rafiki, il connaît le chemin.
Le chemin?
Tu peux soit le fuir ou tout en apprendre. N'aie pas peur, Mickey. Écoute ton cœur.
animaux. Oh, c'était bien sympa. Allez, on joue aux devinettes.
Oh, mais c'était... What?
Je sais, une grenouille. Oh, c'est trop facile.
Oh, mais c'était... Oh, mais
Un éléphant.
non.
Allez, une autre.
Tu me dis... Ah, mais c'est bien.
Un girafe.
Tata.
Autruche.
Oh, mais je veux comprendre, mais...
Bon, là, je ne sais pas. Ah, un lion. Bravo. D'accord, j'ai compris. Oups. Il n'y a rien. Pas une tache. Une tache. Oh non. Attendez.
Whoa, does it feel good to be out of there? Hey, what do you know? Oh, it's the kid who wants to be a great magician. So, how is he doing?
Oh, bah, tu jamais appelé, facile.
Merci. Félicitations, tu viens de rencontrer ton nouveau meilleur ami. La magie, c'est ma spécialité. You came to the right land. Meet your new best friend. 40 t-shirts that he had 1,000 tags. But master, you're in luck, cause up your sleeves you got a brand magic never fails. You got some power in your corner now, some everything shitting your can. You got some punch, besides, when I see all you gotta do is rub that lamp. And I'll say, so tell me now, monsieur, what's really your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down, you ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your maitre d'. Come on, whisper what it is you want. You ain't never had a friend like me. Oh my, no. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this out their little hat? Oh gosh, can your friends go boom? Well, look at here. Can your friends go abracadabra, let her rip, and then make the circuit disappear? Oh my. Un cadeau pour moi, un present for the genie you shouldn't have. Et voyons ça de plus près. Don't you love magic, Mickey? Moi, j'adore la magie. Attendez les petits gars, c'est pas fini. Look, kiddo, I'm just getting started. Pas mal, hein? And now let's see what's behind door number 1. Wow! Are you getting it, kid? Magic is about making friends and making them happy.
Oui, compris.
So tell me now, monsieur, how do we show 2 or 3? I'm on the job, you big nib up. You ain't never had a friend like me. Showtime! Allez, viens, Mickey. Ici. Ok, les gars. Ladies. And now, everybody. friend like me.
Allô? Oh, Jenny! J'ai oublié de te donner mon souhait.
Oh, moi je me remets. Oui, moi je vais là maintenant.
Nom de petit bonhomme, je n'ai plus le temps. Salut, qui es-tu?
I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. Who are you?
Je m'appelle Mickey. Oh, et un jour, je deviendrai le plus grand magicien du monde. Dès que j'aurai trouvé ma magie.
A magician? Wow, I love magic. It's my favorite. No, wait. I love summer more. No, magic. No, summer. No, wait. Yep, magic. In fact, that's how I got here.
Tu es ici grâce à la magie?
Yep,
Quelle magie?
hers.
Oh, qui est-ce?
That's Elsa. Queen Elsa. Isn't she amazing?
Thank you, Olaf. Who is your new friend?
This is Mickey. He wants to be a magician, but he can't find his magic.
Don't worry, Mickey. I understand. I discovered that magic lives inside all of us. We just need the courage to share it with those we love. Tu vois, Mickey, la magie est en chacun d'entre nous. Il faut juste avoir le courage de la partager avec ceux qu'on aime. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I am the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. When now they know. Let it go, and I rise at the break of dawn. Let it go, that perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the night. Let the storm rain down. Will never bother me anyway.
Libéré, délivré, la 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 la, me voilà. Oh, 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 oh. Waouh, j'ai réussi. C'est moi le plus grand magicien du monde. Oh non, 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 arrête, arrête, stop. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? J'ai tout gâché.
Hello, Mickey. What happened here?
Je suis désolée. Je n'ai pas tenu ma promesse. Je pense que je ne serai jamais un bon magicien.
Well, you can't give up, Mickey. You must remember what the magic makers taught you. Ne renonce pas. Souviens-toi des conseils de nos amis magiques. Now, what would a true magician do? Remember, Mickey?
Un vrai magicien tient toujours ses promesses.
Yes. So, isn't it time you kept your promise?
Cherche en toi, caché dans ton cœur, la magie est là pour ton bonheur. C'est le vœu qu'il faut réaliser, la lumière que tu dois allumer. Si tu y crois, réveille en toi ce qui nous fait rêver.
And now, I think you're ready. Tu es prêt.
Let the magic shine, la magie brille en toi. Let the magic shine.
Et tu la partageras.
You take what you've got and you give it all away.
D'accord, ok.
Now let it shine.
I knew he could do it all the time! Magnifique!
Suis les conseils de tous tes amis.
Crois en ton cœur et en ton esprit.
Et la lumière brillera sur le monde, sur le monde. Let the magic shine there inside of you. Let the magic shine.
Show the world what you can do.
It's not the words or the wand or the hand.
And the magic in your heart.
Dans beyond of that. Comme une étincelle, la magie brille en toi. Comme une étincelle, et tu la partageras. Tu as le pouvoir de remplir le cœur d'espoir. Now let it shine. Let the magic shine.